Hi, welcome back. This vid might be of interest if you've got pets and are living or staying on the island of Cyprus, or you're thinking of coming to live on the island of Cyprus with a dog particularly, but cats, etc., or even small children who are likely to poke and prod around anywhere near the seashore. So Cyprus, like anywhere else, is suffering from change of diversity, marine life, the ecosystems, the climate, etc. Since the inception of the Suez Canal, we've had a change of the marine life in the Mediterranean, with invasive species, non-native species coming from the Red Sea. It's accelerated since they've done further works more recently on that canal. So why does it bother you? Well, if you're going to be snorkeling, for instance, if you're on your holidays, you might come across lionfish. Yep, the big ugly things with spikes. And also, more relevant, pufferfish or toadfish. If you're out of the water, it shouldn't bother you, but there's always a possibility you might come and stand on one of them. Obviously the spikes of the lionfish are quite naughty, but the pufferfish particularly are the really nasty ones, and both can live in very, very shallow water. So that's one for you. But the reason I put this video out is that, as I've mentioned, we've had notification on our local village site that on one of the lanes leading to and around the beach, we hope accidentally, but I don't know how, there has been a deposition of a large dead pufferfish in a route where people would walk to and from, and particularly dog walkers would exercise their pets. Let me be clear on this one, I hope it's accidental, but it's not the first notification we've had in this area. Recently it was pellets, which are attractive but also very toxic to cats, so it would appear that somebody's got a bit of a grudge against domestic pets. So the pufferfish in particular is very, very toxic, so if you let your dog off the lead and it goes and has a quick lick, has a quick nibble even, then it's very serious, if not fatal, for those animals. Same for humans. If you touch it, you could be in serious bother. It can lead to paralysis and death. The Cyprus government has issued a bounty to fishermen and they're paying by the kilo to remove these things out the waters around here, and they're strictly banned. You can eat them, but only via very, very licensed and specialised chefs. But it's not recommended that you touch them, and certainly don't eat them. With regard to the lionfish, if you look into some of the restaurants, they are now trying to put them on the menu. Once you remove the spines, they are edible, but obviously if you stand on one, you'll know about it. So just to be aware, if it's not for you, if you're coming across this video and you've got no interest in Cyprus, but you know somebody who lives in Cyprus, somebody who's moving to Cyprus, or even somebody who's coming snorkeling in Cyprus, please share this. These invasive and quite nasty species are around, and it doesn't help if people in this locality and anywhere else are basically laying traps for pet owners and yeah, potentially killing somebody's fur babies. So just be aware, folks. Just thought I'd put it out there. We've just seen this, so I thought I'd spread it out. So please share. Any comments, pass them on to other people. But thank you for watching, and just keep yourselves and your pets safe. Catch you in another one.